Hello everyone, welcome back to Dollie'cious Cravings. Today we're making siomai with imitation crab sticks and ground chicken. It's quick, healthy, and delicious treat perfect for any meal. This easy to make dish is packed with flavor and sure to impress. So if you're ready to share some love in the kitchen, let's get cooking. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. Of course, we need the imitation crab sticks, ground chicken, dumpling wrapper, oyster sauce, sesame oil, salt and pepper, and then spring onions. And also we need grated carrots, egg. Una ay hiwain natin ng pino ang ating small onion and gumamit ako ng 1/4 cup of spring onion. Next, cut the imitation crab sticks into small pieces. This small pack Rabel brand weighs 200 grams and I use only 100 grams, about 7 pieces of crab stick. Finally, add 250 grams or 1/4 kilo of ground chicken. I really want to make this recipe because it's my way of teaching kids to eat healthily. As you can see, I added grated carrots. Many kids aren't fans of them. To all the moms and dads struggling to introduce vegetables, this is your chance. This recipe makes it easy to hide them. After adding the rest of the ingredients such as cornstarch and egg that act as binders in this recipe, helping to hold everything together, continue adding the soy sauce, oyster sauce. Then we use a healthy kind of oil, which is the sesame oil. Next is season it with salt and pepper. Once okay na lahat, nailagay na natin lahat, then haluin lang nating mabuti to make sure everything is evenly distributed. And if you will follow my ingredients, this recipe will make about 20 to 25 siomai pieces. Pwede kayong gumamit ng any preferred wrapper, no? But for me, I use this round dumpling wrappers because they're easier to assemble my siomai with. And I love how they create a flowery design. I use 1 tablespoon of siomai mixture, and if kulang pa yan, magdagdag ka lang. Then, top it with chopped crab stick. I use my Xiaomi induction cooker light to steam my siomai. If you want to know how to use this, please watch my unboxing video as I've noticed I received tons of inquiries about it, and even on my Facebook. While I'm waiting for the water to boil, I spray some olive oil para hindi siya magdikit-dikit. Medyo maliit tong ginamit kong pang steam kasi yung daughter ko and husband ko gusto nila ng crispy version, so I will be using my air fryer later. Pero sorry, di ko na siya mapapakita sa video na to as it takes time kasi may work pa ako later. Doing videos for YouTube is my hobby during my free time and hoping to become my passive income in the future. Ayan, kumulo na siya. So isa lang na natin. By the way, I'd like to take this chance to say thank you for your support sa mga nagko-comment dyan parate. It really means a lot to me. I hope you will never get tired of watching my videos. Let's cook this siomai for 20 minutes using power level 4 sa mga katulad ko na may siomai. And it's done! Some of you think that making homemade siomai looks complicated. Di ba ang dali lang niya? Nothing beats a recipe made with love at home. Saka cooking is like a therapy for me. Sino relate dyan? Aminin. Saka diba pag nakakagawa ka ng dish at home, they feel amazed and you feel also amazed of yourself, lalo kung nakaka-receive ka ng compliment na ang sarap na niluto mo. Masasarap pa to kung hahaluan mo ng chili garlic oil as it adds a spicier kick. There you have it. Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more cooking and travel adventures. This is Dollie'cious Cravings again, saying no hate, just love. See you in my next one.